Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we're going to talk about the DOM append methods in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. Basically in JavaScript there are two append methods which are append child and insert before. Previous video we have learned about how to create an element and how to create a text, but they are created differently. It means that first we are going to we create an element, then we can create the text. We can create a text inside the paragraph or inside an element, but there is another way that we can append them by using append child method. We can put this text inside this paragraph or any other element that you want. We can append them, we can insert a text inside the element that you want. Here it has another benefits that if you already have an element and you want to add another text inside that element by using JavaScript, you can do this by using append child method. So now let's take a look and let's practice this. So here you can see this is an exercise file that we have created in our previous video, and this is an HTML file, and here is a simple text, and here you can see this is an exercise. This is the practice that we done in our previous video. We have created an element, text, and a comment. So for now we are going to comment this part. We don't need this now, and here we have created an element and a text. So now what we are going to do, we are going to put this text. Here you can see this is a simple text inside this HTML. And now first let me come to the console, and now here you can see it looks like this. So what we are going to do, we are going to put this text inside this h2 tag. So for this, what we are going to do, we're going to come to the first we are going to add the name of our created element, and after that we are going to say append child, and here inside the opening and closing parentheses we are going to specify the variable name of the text that we want to append or attach inside the element. So here we are going to say new text and add a semicolon at the end. And now when we save this, here you can see the text is inserted inside the h2 tag. So this is the way of using the append child. Now the question is here, how can we put this text, this is a simple text, inside this our web page? So now let's do this, let's practice this. So we can also do this by using the append child method. So first let me jump over to the HTML file, and here I'm going to create a div, and let me add an ID into it, and this one will be test. Let me save this, and after that, after the append child method that we have created first, here I'm going to specify, and I'm going to say document dot get element by ID, and here I'm going to specify the ID of this created div that we have created. So it is test, and after that I'm going to say append child method, and inside the opening and closing parentheses I'm going to copy the name of the element, variable name of the element, and paste it here, and add a semicolon at the end. So when I save this, here you can see that text is added inside our web page. So now let me inspect this so that it will clearly display for you. Here you can see that this is simple text is added inside the test div or test ID. So hope you understand until this point. And now let's So here you can see inside the HTML we have nothing inside this ID test, but here you can see it is displayed inside this because we append this by using, or we can attach this by using the append child method. So first we are going to create append child method. First we are going to connect the variable, the h2 variable with this, with the new text by using append child method. Then we are going to display this inside our web page. So let me tell you that an append child method will always come at the bottom of any text at the bottom of our web page. So for now it is, our web page is empty, but when I add the text inside this div, the text will be at the bottom section. So now let me show you this. First let me add a paragraph. So, and after that, so this is a simple paragraph that I add. And now as you can see, when I add a text, the append child method will always come at the bottom of our web page. So now the question is here, how can we put this at the top section? So for this we have another method which is insertBefore. So I'm going to create a variable. So var target is equal to, and I'm going to remove everything, and after this I'm going to specify the target dot insert before. So here we're going to specify, first we're going to specify the element of the name of the element, then we are going to specify the position where we want to insert it. First, which element we want to insert? We want to insert the new element. Copy this and paste it here. After that, separate this with a comma. Here we're going to use the div, the variable that we have created for test div. So we're going to specify target. Here we go. And after that, we are going to put a dot, and here we're going to use the child nodes, all the child nodes that are inserted inside the div. So we're going to say child nodes, and here we're going to specify the index number of the child nodes. So here we want to put the element, put this simple text before the 0 index. So when I put this, it means that before everything inside this div. So when I save this, let me remove this console from here, everything, save this, let's check what's happened. All right, so I forgot e at the end of before, insert before. When I save this, here you can see it comes at the top of the paragraph, at the top of the div. So this is the use of insert before. Append child, how can we connect element with a text, and after that we can see we can specify the position of the append child by using the insert before method. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you'll get notification of my new video when I upload it.